Hi, I'm Paul Von Reeder, a photographer based in Los Angeles. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can direct the Profoto A1X to create different looks depending on the situation. Shooting the Profoto A1X straight on your subject is great for quick and easy portraits when you're on the go, such as shooting people in movement, like this couple right here walking towards the camera. Good guys, awesome. Another great option is to point the flash into the ceiling to make the shadows a little softer, resulting in a more natural look. By adding the bounce card to the top of the Profoto A1X, you can also get a little catch light in the model's eyes and fill in the shadows. Perfect. In some locations, the ceiling might be too high up or have different colors than white. To avoid unwanted color casts, you can direct your Profoto A1X into a white wall instead. This will result in a softer light than having the flash straight on.